Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to snooze suggested posts on Instagram. You will see a lot of suggested posts on your Instagram. In order to snooze suggested posts, you'll need to first open your Instagram app. Once you open your Instagram app, you will see your home page. From there, you'll need to tap in the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Your profile page will be opened where you can see all your posts. From there, you'll need to tap in the three horizontal line on the top right corner of your screen. A menu will pop up with all settings and activities options. From here, you'll need to scroll a bit. Then look for the suggested content option in what you can see. You'll have to tap on the suggested content. At the very last of your suggested content option, you can see snooze suggested posts. Right beside snooze suggested posts, there is a toggle switch. You'll have to tap on it. By tapping on the toggle switch, you can snooze suggested posts for 30 days. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to snooze suggested posts on your Instagram. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share, and subscribe.